Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Remember, the name of this channel is Nice Man Tech. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and also turn on the notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads. These tutorials, we are going to learn how to design this simple political flyer. We are going to design this simple political flyer and also earn money out from this simple political flyer. This is what we are going to do. Before we will get into this video, first you need Adobe Photoshop CS6, the extended version, before you can do this design. And also the materials we are going to use for this design. These are the materials, the image, the coat of arm, and all the materials we need for this design. All the materials we need for this design is here. All right, without wasting much time, let's get into this design, this simple political flyer, and also get money from designing this. Now first you go to file, because we need a background. So to create a background for yourself, you go to file, new. We have inches here, just move to pixels. After that, you change the width to 1080 and you change the height to also 1080. So the width 1080, the height, the width 1080, the height 1080, pixels, resolution 72, color mode RGB color 8-bit white. You go to OK. Now when you click on the OK, the background will be created for you, just as you see on your screen. So we are now done with our background. Okay, so now we are done with creating of our background. Now when the background is created, if you come to your left side, you can see background where my mouse cursor is. We'll click on it to unlock it. So you just double click on the padlock to unlock it. After that, you click on OK. Now you are good to go. So now we are starting with our political flyer. So first you just move to your tool. You just go and take your rectangular tool. After that, you draw a rectangle like this. You draw something like this. Now after drawing something like this, you move on to your layers. As you can see, you have layers here. You move to your layers. Now after moving to your layers, you click on the layers. After moving to the layers, we come down here. We have something called the FX. Just click on the FX. After clicking on the FX, look for gradient overlaid, and click on the gradient overlaid. Now after clicking on the gradient overlaid, we have opacity here, gradient here. Just go and click inside your gradients like this. Now we have one stop here, another stop here. Click here first. So click here first. You come and click on your color. After that, you select this, or you type in this color code. Now the color code is 3375 BD. Now so you type this, then OK. Put your end to complete this move. After that, you are done drawing your rectangle using this rectangular tool to go. Now after that, you move to the file again, open. You go and select our material. So you double click on the material. After that, you drag this material into the rectangle you just drawn, then you close it. Now after doing this, you right click on the material, you click on create clipping mask. Now so you create your clipping marks nicely inside your rectangle. So you create it nicely inside a rectangle, very nicely. Good. So after that, you have inserted your image inside the rectangle, or the rectangle. After that, we need a coat of arm. So you go to file, open. You go and select your coat of arm. After that, you drag this into your workspace. you drag this into your workspace. Good. So as you can see, we have the Excelsior East Electoral Area and problem. After that, you go to file again, open. We have the name here nicely. Then we will drag the name onto our workspace nicely like this. Then you close it. So you just drag the name nicely like this into our workspace nicely like this. So we will drag it here nicely just like this, as you can see on the flyer I showed you earlier. After that, we go to file, open. Then we go and select our next item to be put on our flyer like this. Then you close it. So this is our next item to be put on the flyer nicely like this. Good. After that, we need our image. We need the image to be put on our flyer. So you go to file, open. Now let me remind you, all these materials will be linked in my description, so you can get this material from my description. So this is the image. You select the image, you go to open. After that, you just drag your image onto my workspace. So I'll just drag my image onto my workspace nicely like this. Then I'll move this image. As you can see where my layers is, I will move it down very nicely like this. Good. Nicely like this. Now when I'm done with this, I'm not done yet. As you can see, we are designing this simple practical flies. This is very simple. All this Excelsior East Electoral Area and problem in cancer Uferisamu, all this I typed with this test tool. As you can see, this is the test tool. So if you want to type something, you just click on this test tool. You just and you start typing. As you can see, I am typing. So all this was done by me selecting the test tool and just typing names and that. After that, you just need your image. So now we are done inserting our image. As you can see, the flyer I showed you earlier, we have some name at the back of the flyer, which is very simple. So I will just go and select my test tool like this. Then I will type in cancer Uferisamu. In cancer Uferisamu. Nicely like this. After that, I'll go and click on this OK. Now this is the OK sign in the Photoshop. That's commit any current edits. So you click on this one. Now you come and select your move tool. The first tool, the move tool. You click on the move tool. If you click on the move tool, you'll be able to move this in cancer Uferisamu around. So you just click on your move tool, then you come and select, or you click on the in cancer Uferisamu. Good. So as you can see, the Encancer Uferisamu is turned upside down at the back of our image. So we just Ctrl+T. Then, so if you press the Ctrl+T, there will be a line around the Encancer Uferisamu. Just come to this place. Have you see what my cursor is doing? It is bending. You just click and hold and rotate. Click, hold and rotate nicely like this. Good. After that, you come and click on your OK sign. You come and click on your move tool, then you move it around. You move it. Good. So after typing Encancer Uferisamu and rotating it, so as you can see, we are moving this Samuel Ofori in cancer around. We are moving this name in cancer Uferisamu around. Now you can see that in cancer Uferisamu is in front of the name. We don't want it like this, so we need to bring it to the back of the image. So it's just a matter of you moving this in cancer Uferisamu at the layer place. You move it below the image and you leave it there. So when you leave it there, you can see that Encancer Ofori Samuel, it did the back of the image like this. But as you can see, the flyer, the earlier flyer I showed you guys, the color was white. The color was white, but this one is black, so we need to change the black to white. So just click on the Encancer Ofori Samuel. We will come to the FX, simple. We come to color overlaid, simple. Then we click on the red, inside the red. Then we come and select the white color. This is the white color. After that, we click on OK. So as you can see, the Encancer Ofori Samuel, the color, it changed to white. So this is the flyer I showed you earlier. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads concerning graphic designing. Thank you very much.